Hi, I'm Jenna Helwig, Food Director at Real Simple. Let's talk about canned beans and how to make them taste good. So obviously canned beans are a great pantry staple. I'm talking about chickpeas, cannellini beans, black beans, any of those sorts. They're high in protein, they're high in fiber, and they're very versatile. They're great when you throw them into a pot of soup, or when you put them on a salad, or whip them up into hummus or some other sort of bean dip. But let's talk about how to make them taste good pretty much straight out of the can. So here's what you need to do. First, you need to rinse and drain the beans and then pat them dry with a paper towel. Now, it's only gonna take like 4 things to make these taste good, I promise. Right now, if you tasted one, you'd be like, I don't know, I'll eat it if I have to, but let's have some deliciousness in our lives, shall we? So first, olive oil. Do not be shy. Olive oil is good for you, lots of healthy fats, and it just adds such a lovely round flavor to pretty much everything. So no need to measure, just put in olive oil. And then you need some acid. This could be lemon juice or even lime juice, pretty much any vinegar. I'm gonna use red wine vinegar here, but it could be apple cider vinegar, balsamic, whatever you have. So start slow. Let's see if I can start slow. All right, that's pretty slow. And then salt and pepper. Again, salt is gonna bring out the flavor in a lot of foods. So you can really tell if things are undersalted. They just don't have that kind of like, you know, you don't want to take another bite, and that's super important. We want this to be something that you can enjoy. So salt, and then as much or as little pepper as you like. I like a lot of pepper. And then, this is the most important thing, is you give it a stir. And then you taste it and see what you think. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna taste one, just one. That's good. It's got the pop from the vinegar. In fact, I'm gonna add a teensy bit more vinegar. It's got enough salt, good pepper, and the olive oil makes it taste really rich. So, all right, great. You let this sit for 15 minutes. It's gonna soak up a lot of those flavors and be really tasty. But let's also figure out how to make this into even more of a meal. So I've got here another pantry staple that you probably do too, which is canned tuna. So I drained this. You could use canned or jarred. So add this to the beans. A little bit more of those magical 4 ingredients you already had. Olive oil, the vinegar, salt and pepper. And then you can eat it like this or dress it up a little bit more. So this is what I found lying around in my pantry. I've got some oregano here, dried oregano. So I'm gonna add some of that. This is gonna be sort of an Italian-ish tuna salad. I like spicy, so I'm also gonna add some crushed red pepper, but this is not mandatory in any way. And then I found some olives lingering in the fridge, which I'm going to add as well. Now, if you don't like olives, skip them. Capers also work great. Anything to add that kind of briny pop. So let's add this, give it another stir. And I'm telling you, this looks like something real. This does not look like survival food. This looks like something really delicious that you want to eat any day. You can eat it just like this, which is what I'm going to do. Or you could put it on toast, put it into a sandwich, put it on salad greens, or even toss it with pasta. So there you have it. Enjoy. It's really easy to make. Thanks a lot.